We telegram to the Mother of God with the daily three Hail Marys. It's a phone number anyone can answer, just ring the three Hail Marys. Do you want it how daily ordinary? Do you want it as emergency? Anyone is free, there's no need for the feet and call the three Hail Marys. The reply may be late, no hurry, you just wait. Carefully check it's why yes. If they're rusty and old, don't make yourself a fool. Check out the three Hail Marys. Emergency does not work, there's no need to worry. But try with ordinary. Catch hold now at the call, it rings to one and all. Mary, Mary answer me.